back to Hasu and Teju. This is Teju and today I'm going to show you how to make a nice thank you greeting card. I made one for my teacher and this is how it looks. You can let it redder inside like I did to my teacher. And this looks very pretty, so what are we waiting for? Let's get started to make one. So here are the materials we need to make a nice thank you greeting card. 1 block of orange paper for the flower. You can choose another color if you like. 2 blocks of green paper for the leaves. 1 blue paper. The blue paper can be replaced with any other. I'm choosing pink paper for my outside. You can replace pink paper with any, and these are the colors I chose because they just look pretty, but you can choose another 2 colors, but they have to be 2. So we also need 1 scissors, a pencil, and 1 glue stick. I choose that one. I'm so excited to make a nice thank you greeting card, so what are we waiting for? Let's get started. So first we're going to take our pink piece of paper and fold it all the way to the edge. So you might want the first paper to be a bigger size than your other paper, which is blue, for mine. So now we're going to take our big piece of paper and fold it like a greeting card shape, kind of like this. So make sure they come right to the edge. You can take siblings' help if you want to help you fold this the correct size. Okay, so that's done. So now we got this as our greeting card size. So we're done with our first layer. Now let's take our smaller piece of paper, which is blue for mine, and fold it like this, just like we did to the first one. Now we're going to do something unusual. We're going to take our scissors and cut it off. So snip, snip, snip. So we are done. Just a little bit more piece there. Last one, and then fold it like this one more time. And then fold. Now we're gonna cut only half. Only half. One. Only half. And take our first piece of paper and glue it like this. So we're gonna take our glue stick. And then there's only specific ways to put your glue. Only on the 3 ways. 1 way. You gotta only put it this. If you do this, or these are gonna attach, and we do not want that to happen. And I'll tell you why. Actually, I'm not telling you. You guys see how we do it. So only these ways. So only those. Now let's paste it onto a bigger piece of paper since we already got our glue. So let's paste it on to the paper. Just be very careful you do not paste it in the wrong direction side. You can make something cool with it. So now we got this all pasted, right? Now let's make our cone shape piece, kind of like that. So we're gonna fold it like that. Before you fold it, we're gonna put some glue. We're gonna put some glue right here, only on this area, and then fold it. So after you finish and it's all glued, take your one finger and stick it in, and then try to press down so you can it can stay on for ever actually. So press, and press. Now let's do the next side. We just finished one. So now let's do the next side. Remember, we gotta put some glue in the first, which is right here. Make sure you put the glue here, not here. Only here. Glue. And then fold. So we're going to take our one finger, put it in, and stick. Let's keep pressing. Up we go and back. And this part is ready. So let's look better with leaves. We're going to take our 2 green pieces and make some leaves. Come on. We're going to take our green piece of paper and fold it the correct way. Fold, just like that. Fold it. Now let's take another green piece of paper and do the same. And fold. So now let's take our pencil and draw leaves. So, and starting from here, let's draw a leaf kind of shape. And then let's do the same to the other one. So now let's cut it out. So we're going to take our leaf and cut it out. And trim it up. So now we have one leaf. Got the leaf. So now let's make it good. So we're going to start from here and go crossly and cut. 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 Go in like a cross shape. Cut. Cut. So here's where the magic starts. Well, there's no really magic in the world, you know that. So let's open it. Now look at that. Looks pretty, huh? Ta-da. So now let's do the same to that other one. So now we got 2 leaves. They look very pretty, very similar to each other. So our 2 leaves are ready. And they're really happy. So now we're gonna make our flower with our orange piece. But if you're doing a different color, you can just color that. So we need our pencil first. And we're gonna draw like a kind of like a circle-y, like squiggly lines, you see? So start from here. Very gently. Principles, they're not touching. So now let's take our scissors and cut it out. So make sure you cut the corners so the corners won't come. Just like this. Just don't have any like sharp bends here. So next corner. See if I can line it up. Do that here. Well, yeah. Okay. So look at this. If we close it, ooh, this is gonna come so good. Whoa! Come on in. Look at that. Look at that. So now let's take our pencil and kind of like fold it into like a bud shape, like that. So keep doing it. So now let's just take the pencil off, like slide it off. Make sure you do not go up into the eraser side or it's just not gonna fit. So go into the tip side. Like start folding it. You have to glue this whole entire part. Glue all the way here. And fold it so the folds can actually stay. So our flower is ready. It looks so cute. So now let's keep our pretty flower to a side. So now let's take our flower and put some glue right on the leaves, like that. Be careful and stick our flower right on it. Take your finger and like dab it on right in the middle, like that. So what are we waiting for? Let's decorate it. H, A, N, K. Now U, Y, O, U. Thank you. So this is our greeting card. And if you open it up, you can write a letter. So if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more updates. Thanks for watching. Bye.